back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to balance your wash day routine because I've been getting a ton of questions on protein and moisture, which I will link that video up in the right hand corner for you all so you all can figure out protein and moisture and what your hair needs. So I'm going to start off by wetting my hair down. I'm on like 5th day hair. My hair's been a bun for like 2 days, so it is time for a wash. So I'm starting off with Rizzo's Curls Hydrating Shampoo. This has no protein at all. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. And I'm going to take about a quarter size amount on my scalp only, massage that in, and then I will rinse that out. I am then taking this massage brush just to get my scalp even better and get all the buildup out from the gel that I had in my hair. Now I'm taking the Rizzo's Curls Deep Conditioner, and I'm only taking a little bit on this on my ends just because I'm going to deep condition next, so I didn't want to do too much conditioner. So I'm just going to comb that through and then rinse that out. Now I'm taking these Not Your Mother's butter masks, and I've been loving these. This pink one is for curl definition, and the black one is charcoal, and it helps restore your hair. So I thought that'd be a good mixture because I need a little bit of love with my definition, and I need some strengthening properties, so why not? Now I'm just gonna go in and just 2-strand twist and do it real quick in the shower. I left that in for about 10 minutes, and now I'm just going through and making sure it's all saturated, just getting my ends real good with the deep conditioner. A trick for volume is I like to rinse my deep conditioner or my conditioner out upside down. Then I'm going to wet plop with my Turby twist and a shower cap. So I wet plopped for about 5 minutes, and then I took it off and just used my Turby twist. Here's how my hair looks after all the treatments I did today, my deep condition, and y'all saw my wash day. So it's looking really good and moisturized, as you can see. So now I'm going in with my Rizzo's Curls Cream, and y'all know I love this stuff. It is protein free, very moisturizing, and a little bit goes a long way, you all. So if your hair is more thin, then you don't want to use a lot because it could get weighed down. Now I'm taking my Curls Blueberry Bliss Jelly. Y'all know I love this, and this does have protein, and it's going to be my whole product. And I'm going in with praying hands method. You all know how I do, and just going to keep continuing that all throughout my hair. Now that all my products are applied, here's how my hair looks. I like for it to look like smooth down. That way we have no frizz. And as you can see, you can already see the curls forming. So that is what I like to do, and I'll be back with my results. All right, you all, I air dried for about 8 hours. Look at my results. I am obsessed with this volume, and I just did this routine like last week, and the results look totally different. And I did the same thing, but you know, weather and everything affects that. But I'm very impressed with these results. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you all balance out your routine. You can see it leaves great results. If you have any questions, please let me know below. If you have any more requests or anything. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.